Everybody's chasing the flashy businesses right now. Meanwhile, there's a business you can run right in someone's driveway that's quietly paying $200 an hour and almost nobody knows about it. If you're somebody who likes working with your hands and loves cars and you're tired of trading time for barely enough money, this video is tailor-made for you. Since 2011, my business has generated more than 14 million in revenue. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this business is, why it's so profitable, the real math behind $200 an hour, and everything you need to get your first paying job, even if you've never touched a spray gun. To start, let me show you what this business actually is, because once you see how simple the work is, the money starts to make sense. Hey guys, I just wanted to interrupt this video for a really quick second. If you're a hands-on car enthusiast and you want to build a real business with the kind of freedom that most people only talk about, this opportunity might make a lot of sense for you. Just click the link down in the description to work with me directly inside my mobile auto body accelerator. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, most people hear auto body and immediately picture a collision shop. Big building, cars torn apart, an expensive paint booth, but that is not what this is. Not even close. Think of it like this. A collision shop is kind of like an emergency room. They handle the big stuff. Wrecks, frame damage, full panel replacements. What we do is more like a house call. A doctor shows up, fixes a small problem, and then leaves. Except the house call pays $600 to $800 for just a short visit. But you might be wondering, what kind of work are we talking about here? Well, this is what the industry calls smart repairs or small area repair techniques. We're fixing cosmetic paint damage here. Stuff like a bumper scrape from a parking lot, a dent and scratch on a fender from backing out of the garage, or a scratched quarter panel from the neighbor's kid who rode his bike too close to your car. That's it, just small damage. The kind of thing that happens to millions of cars every single day. Now here's what it's not. It is not collision repair. You are not pulling bumpers and fenders off of the car. You don't need expensive frame equipment, and you don't need to go to collision repair school. The work is done on site right at the customer's house in their driveway or at a dealership lot. So now you can see how simple the work is. Let me show you why it pays so well. Let me walk you through one real job. Picture this. A customer submits a photo of their scraped driver's side front bumper. You quote them $600 for a bumper blend. They accept your estimate and book an appointment. You show up and repair the bumper right in their driveway. The job costs you roughly 5% in paint and materials on residential work, and it only took you 2 to 3 hours to complete the repair. So one job, you're netting over $550 in under 3 hours. It's around $200 an hour in your pocket. Now multiply that. Just one job per day is $3,000 a week or $12,000 per month, and you're home by early afternoon. The reason this works is 3 things stacking together: low material cost, high ticket per job, and short job duration. That combination is rare, and it's what creates the $200 an hour math. So you can see that the money makes sense, but you're probably thinking, well, what does the actual work look like? Well, let me walk you through a real repair so you can see exactly what's involved. A lot of people hear $600 for a bumper blend and assume the work must be super complicated. It's not. And once you see the steps, you'll realize this is a repeatable process. It's the same steps every single time. Now, this isn't a repair tutorial, okay? I've done several of those on this channel, and I'll link one down in the description if you want to go deeper into the process. But here's the quick version using that bumper blend that we talked about earlier as an example. So you just start by cleaning the area, and then you can start taping and papering off and sanding the damage smooth. From there, you're going to hit it with some adhesion promoter, followed by a little primer, and once that primer is scuffed and the area is cleaned again, you're going to spray your base coat. That's the color coat. Matched to the car's paint code, we mix the paint right on site. Then 2 coats of clear coat on top, and if the situation calls for it, you finish with a light wet sand and buff and polish to make it perfect. That's it. 7, maybe 8 steps total. And because the products we use are designed for outdoor application, the whole job stays under 3 hours. So now you know what the work looks like and how fast it moves. The next question is what you actually need to get started. And the startup cost on this might surprise you. One of the biggest things that stops people from starting a business is the upfront cost. They assume they need $50,000 and a year of planning. You don't. You can be set up and working for a fraction of that. Here's what the setup actually looks like. The equipment is pretty straightforward. You need some spray guns, a compressor, some sanding tools, primers, base coat, we'll talk more on that in a second, clear coat, and a handful of consumables. Nothing exotic. I've got a full equipment breakdown video linked in the description below if you want the exact list. Now for your vehicle, you've got some options. You can go with a small trailer, a van, a pickup truck with a camper shell. Any of those work. Doesn't need to be fancy, it just needs to be clean and organized. All in, you're looking at roughly $2,500 for equipment and supplies to be set up and ready to spray. Now you don't need to go and buy a paint toner system up front when you're just practicing. That's a big expense. Instead, just go to your local auto supply store and have them mix up the paint for you. Once you're more capable, then you can invest in a toner kit. And this is where I save MABA students a lot of money because I provide toner kits with only the quantity of toners that they actually need. So there's no guessing and no wasted money on toners that are just gonna sit on a shelf and go bad. So the startup cost is low. The equipment is simple. But here's the question I get more than any other. Can a complete beginner actually learn this? Well, let me show you exactly what to expect. This is the part where most people talk themselves out of it. They think you need years of experience or some kind of trade school certification, but you don't, and I'm the proof. When I was first introduced to this business, I had zero spraying experience, none. I was an attorney. I'd never held an HVLP spray gun, never mixed paint, never clear coated anything, and I certainly didn't go to collision repair school. I'm not special. I've trained people who came from detailing, from corporate jobs, from completely unrelated fields. Beginners, people who had never touched a spray gun before they met me. And every single one of them learned, because this is a skill, and skills can be taught. Here's what the timeline actually looks like when you commit. Once you have your supplies, you can start spraying practice panels within 1 to 2 weeks. And from there, your skill improves with every single rep. Learning to spray paint is like learning guitar. You can't just watch videos and expect to be great. You have to actually practice. You have to pick up the gun and spray. But the learning curve is shorter than most people think. A realistic timeline to competence is about 3 to 6 months, depending on how much you practice. That's when the work starts looking clean and consistent. That's when you're confident quoting jobs and starting to deliver some results. Now, will you be nervous? Yes. Will you worry about messing up? Yes. Will you wonder if you can actually get customers? Yes. Every single person that I've trained felt the exact same way, and every single one of them got past it. I can teach anybody these skills using my mobile method. That's not a sales pitch. It's just what I've watched happen over and over again. So you've got the skills, you can do the work, but a business doesn't run without customers. So let me show you exactly how you fill your schedule, because this is where most people get stuck. Having the skills to do the work is only half of the equation. If nobody knows you exist, you're not going to make any money. The good news is that getting customers in this business is more straightforward than people think, because you're not competing with 1 million people online. You're competing with body shops that charge twice as much and take a week or more to get the car back. So that's your comparison to win. And here's how the customer flow actually works. You don't rely on just one lead source. You stack them, and each one builds on the others until leads are coming in consistently without you having to chase them. It starts with the basics, a simple SEO optimized website for your area. When someone Googles mobile bumper repair near me, you show up. Next, you'll want to build out your Google business profile. That's your listing on Google Maps, where reviews and photos build trust before you ever talk to a customer. From there, your first jobs almost always come from people who already know you, friends, family, and neighbors. You're working in driveways. People walk by and see what you're doing, and they ask questions. That part just happens naturally. Then you start layering in higher volume sources, like used car dealerships who need cosmetic touch-ups constantly. One good relationship there can keep you busy 1 to 2 days a week. Companies with vehicle fleets need regular work done on a recurring basis, which means predictable income. And past customers, when you stay in front of them with a simple email marketing through a CRM, send you their friends without you even having to ask. These lead sources don't work in isolation. They stack, remember. Your website brings in strangers, your Google reviews convert them, your past customers refer their coworkers, the dealership keeps your slow weeks busy, and after a few months of building these channels, leads start coming to you. I call it traffic nirvana, the point where you're choosing which jobs to take instead of begging for work. And here's what I give my students to accelerate this: a fully built SEO optimized website and a CRM system that handles the entire customer journey, from the moment someone fills out your estimate form through follow-up, booking, job completion, estimating, and even requesting a 5-star Google review. So now you know what the business is, how it pays $200 an hour, and what it takes to get started. If you love working on cars and want to build a real business with the kind of freedom that most people only talk about, this opportunity might make a lot of sense for you. Just click the link down in the description to work with me directly. And if you want to see what this business actually looks like on a day-to-day basis, you're going to want to watch this next video right here.